Peace, family. It's your boy Tez, the local financial ninja, checking in with you again. Just coming back at you with more knowledge on personal finance and money matters. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about mutual funds. So this will be a follow-up to my video, Asset Classes 101. So if you want to go check that video out, go ahead after this. So what we're going to talk about is mutual funds, and a mutual fund is a collective group of different securities. So it can be debt securities such as bonds, notes or T-bills and things like that, and equity securities such as stocks and things like that. And it also can contain like ETFs and different things like that. So an ETF, an exchange traded fund, is the same thing as a mutual fund, except it's traded on an exchange just like a stock would be. But just to keep it simple, mutual fund, it's a group of securities, and the value of the overall mutual fund reflects the value of the different securities in the fund. So it's a good way to spread your risk. So instead of just having one stock, you can invest in a multitude of stocks and different securities in that. And as those go up and down, you'll have some that'll offset the others. So some will go down and some will go up, and it'll level out. So as they pay dividends and capital gains, that'll be reflected in the value of the mutual fund as well, and then they'll be passed on to you, the shareholder in the mutual fund. So as shareholders, everybody invests into the mutual fund. So you might have 1,000 people, 1,000,000 people invested into this one fund. All of your money is lumped together, and then it is actively traded by portfolio managers or a team of portfolio managers and financial analysts. And they do the best that they can to make sure that they're reading the stock market and looking up the proper information to bring the best returns and pass that along to you. And oftentimes the returns is tied to their direct compensation. So that can ensure you that they're going to do the best that they can to make sure that you are seeing some type of returns. As I said before, mutual funds are a great way to be invested into multiple securities and a good way to hedge your risk, diversify your risk, and just protect you in the long run. So if you want to go check out my video before, Asset Classes 101, it'll kind of explain what stocks and bonds are, and as well as talk about some alternative investments, and it'll be a good foundation to understanding what the actual mutual fund consists of. So it's your boy Tez, just checking in once again, family. Peace.